Autodesk Assistant provides AI-powered guidance to help you work more efficiently in Civil 3D. Through a conversational interface powered by Autodesk AI, you can ask questions about Civil 3D features, troubleshoot design challenges, and access learning resources without leaving your workspace. You can provide additional context or refine your questions to receive summarized responses, step-by-step guidelines, and links to relevant learning documentation. If additional help is required, you can also connect with Autodesk customer support using the same interface, allowing you to continue working while communicating with your team. In Civil 3D 2027, Autodesk Assistant introduces a refreshed interface with an enhanced chat experience and new tabs for managing a prompt library and chat history. These features make it easier to review, save, and share prompts and responses to support project documentation. Civil 3D 2027 also introduces a tech preview that provides early access to additional Autodesk Assistant capabilities currently under development. When enabled, the tech preview allows Autodesk Assistant to help with more complex questions and workflows using contextual drawing information. The current tech preview capabilities include selecting and navigating to drawing elements, querying drawing information to aggregate and summarize properties, and analyzing objects and applying styles based on user-defined criteria. These capabilities are experimental and will continue to evolve during the tech preview phase.